Good morning, students. We are going to start the second part of the first event, that is combinational circuits. In combinational circuits, we have defined the combinational circuit is a circuit which doesn't consisting of memory. And the memory lane circuits combination circuit. Okay. In this, we are going to see the first primary part, that is we are going to discuss about the arithmetic circuits. We are going to see the arithmetic circuits. In arithmetic circuits, we are going to see that we are going to study the topics like half adder, half subtractor, half subtractor. Similarly, with this, we'll continue with the full adder and full subtractor. Half adder, half subtractor, full adder, full subtractor, and their realizations and the logical circuit diagrams. Circuit diagrams are on to verify casting. Similarly, we're going to see parallel adders, look ahead, carry adder, look ahead, carry adder, and the last topic is code converters in your first second unit. Code converters as the last topic. First, we'll see what are the arithmetic circuits. Arithmetic circuits is the circuit which will perform the addition and subtraction operation. The circuit which is performing the addition operation and subtraction operation. The first we'll see the half adder. The first circuit we are going to see the half adder. Half means it is only the partial. Half indicates it is only the partial. We are writing the half adder. Half adder. First is the addition operation. Addition operation allows me to verify. Consider the addition of the 2 bits. That is, the 0 is added with 0. Similarly, 0 is added with 1. 1 is added with 0. 1 is added with 1. We need to verify the result. If you are going to verify the result, 0 plus 0 is the result. We are calling this as sum. I am indicating it as sum. The sum is 0. 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. There is the sum is 1. Again, 1 plus 0. It is also 1. And similarly, if you are adding to 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, it is called as 1 0. Now, binary addition, that is in terms of decimal. If it is in decimals, we call this decimal, it is 2 now. The decimal is converted into 2 can be written in terms of binary as 1 0. That is 1 plus 1 is 1 and 0. This is my sum and this is the carry. Decimal addition chestam 8 plus 9 chesam. 9 plus 8 and 17. That is 7 is the one and you are getting 1 as carry. We will write the carry like here. This is 1. That is the sum is the result. 7 is the sum and 1 as carry. The decimal lo man like addition chesi carry తీసుకొస్తున్నాం. Similarly, in binary also, when we are adding two 1-bit numbers, the size of the numbers are 1 bit. When you are adding this addition, 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. That is, I am writing the sum as 0 and I am writing the carry like this. That is, I am indicating carry. That is, when we are adding the 2 bits, if you are adding the 2 bits, 0 plus 0, there is a sum as 0, there is no carry. 0 plus 1, sum as 1, there is no carry. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, no carry. When both the bits are 1, 1, the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. Here, I am indicating this addition as half addition. This addition we are indicating as the half addition. That is A and B. A and B are the inputs and sum and carry are the outputs. A and B are the inputs and sum and carry are the outputs. That is, we can indicate this with a table. That is sum. These are my inputs and these are my outputs. The size of A is 1 bit, size of B is 1 bit. When A is 0, when B is 0, sum 0 and carry 0. When A is 0, B 1, sum 1, carry 1. When A 1, B 0, sum 1, carry 0. When A 1, B 1, sum 0 and carry 1. This is the operation of half addition. It is also called as half adder. It is also called as half adder. If you see the block diagram, I am writing in terms of block diagram. I am taking a block which is performing the half adder. That is, I am indicating inside the block as it is a half adder block. It is also called as schematic. It is also called as schematic, or it is also called as entity, or simply it is called as block representation. In block is a schematic, or it is called as an entity. It is called as a block representation. My inputs, what are the inputs? The A and B are the inputs. A is an input and B is the second input. These are my inputs. Size and the size of A and B are 0, 1 bit. And when generating the output, this is my sum output and this is my carry output. Now we have to realize the output expression. What is the output expression for sum? In this, if you observe the output expression for sum equals to, when A0, B1, I am writing the sum equals to A0, that is I can write A bar into B plus, this is equals to 1. This is one condition. A bar plus B equals to A bar plus B plus, into condition 1. Here you get the 1 as when A equals to 1 and B equals to 0. A bar B plus AB bar. This is the sum output expression. Similarly, as we know, A bar B plus A bar AB bar equals to, you can write this as A exclusive or B. This can be written as A exclusive or B. And similarly, if you observe the output expression for carry output expression to say output, the carry output is only 1 for this condition, A equals to 1, B equals to, therefore I can write A into B. A into B. This is my sum output in terms of A bar B plus AB bar, and carry equals to AB. Carry equals to AB. Now, we have written this with respect to our outputs. Output condition check. This is my output expression for sum. Sum equals to 1 for the min term. A equals to 0. B equals, in terms of min terms, 0, 0, and I can call this as min term 0, min term 1, min term 2, min term 3. Sum equals to 1 for min term 1, A0, B1. Sum equals to 1 for min term 2, A1, B0. Okay. This is a circuit which will perform the addition of 2 binary bits. What is half adder? It is a circuit which will perform the addition of 2 binary bits. And we call the circuits as adder circuits or arithmetic circuits. It is also called example for combination circuit. Combination time, there is a no memory element. Now, these are my present inputs, these are my present outputs. If you observe, A equals to 0, B equals to 0, the output we are calling when A equals to 0, B equals to 0, the sum equals to 0, and carry equals to 0. At T equals to time, T equals to 0 seconds apply chestam. And combination to example. Similarly, after T equals to 10 seconds, I have modified the value of A as 1. A 1 chesanu, B chesanu, B 0 in the vachanu. My output is changed to 1, 0. After T equals to 10 seconds, there is no previous data. What is the previous data? Sum 0 carry. This is overwritten. If I want to check the previous data, there is no memory. That's why we call these circuits as combinational circuits. Until and circuits we combinational circuit. And memory we call this as combinational circuit. Take half adder. Half adder, its functional table. When A equals to 0, B equals to 0, sum and carry. Write the table and take the representation of block diagram or schematic or entity. Draw the block diagram and write the output expressions. Output expressions are one corresponding combination. S equals to 1 for this combination, S equals to 1 for this is A bar B plus AB bar. And similarly, carry equals to 1 for only this combination. You can write as A into B. A into B. Now we have to draw the logical circuit diagram. We have to draw the output circuit diagram using basic gates, using NAND gate, using NOR gate. We have to draw the basic gate diagram using NAND gate, NOR gate, and basic gates. No doubt, you can observe. To realize this half adder, it requires one exclusive OR gate, one AND gate. To realize this circuit, half adder circuit, it requires one XOR gate, one AND gate. That is, I can draw the exclusive OR gate. That is, to represent the circuit diagram, I can take one exclusive OR gate. This is my exclusive OR gate, and one AND gate is sufficient to draw the to represent the A exclusive OR B, and that is sum output and carry output. This is A and this is B. This is your carry and this is sum output. This is my circuit diagram for half adder using XOR gate and AND gate. To represent this circuit using XOR gate, it requires one XOR gate and one AND gate. Note this one. And parallel note cheskondi. Now we are going to draw the same circuit diagram using basic gates. And basic gates, and I have to know the output equation for XOR sum and carry. What is the output equation for sum and carry? We know sum equals to, I am writing the sum as here. Sum equals to A bar B plus A B bar. It is also written as A exclusive OR B, and our carry is written as A into B. This is my carry. Now we are going to draw the same circuit using basic gates. Basic gates ante emovutunna, it requires one AND gate, second AND gate, one OR gate, one inverter. That is, I am taking the inputs as A. That is, I am taking two AND gates. This is my first AND gate. I am taking one OR gate to generate my sum output. The inputs are A bar B and A B bar. That is, I am generating A. A is your input, and I have generated using inverter. A bar, I am taking B, A bar B, and similarly A B bar. That is, I am taking one more inverter here, I am taking B bar here, and generating A. That is, this is output. This is A bar B, and this will be A into B bar. Sum is generated. What about carry, Nana? That is, we can generate the carry using AND gate. That is, the two inputs A and B. A and B. And we can take the A and B. This is your carry. Sum output is indicated as S, carry output is indicated as C. And the basic gates we are taking with respect to the inverter, AND gate, OR gate. That is, the first level gates are AND gates, second level gate is OR gate, and we have used it with respect to the inverter. Now we have to draw. With respect to NAND gates. NAND gates to చూపించాలి. జాగ్రత్తగా observe చేయండి. To draw this circuit diagram using NAND gates, how many number of NAND gates are required? See, to realize the circuit using NAND gates, మొత్తం NAND gates తో draw చేయాలంటే మనకి ఎన్ని NAND gates follow అవసరం ఉంటే చూడండి. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 NAND gates for 4 blocks, and similarly for A bar it is 5 and B bar it is 6. That is, to convert this basic gate diagram to NAND gate, it requires 6 NAND gates. 6 NAND gates for 3. Other NOR gates to cheyalonna sare, it will require 6 NOR gates. But the same diagram can be drawn in a minimized fashion. The same diagram can be drawn in a minimized fashion like this. Everyone draw this now. Everyone have to note this diagram. That is, we are going to draw the half adder circuit using NAND gate and NOR gate. Only NAND gate and only NOR gate. In exam point of view, idanti questions, number of questions adugutunnaru. Explain the half adder circuit. Realize using only NAND gate. Realize using only NOR gate. Realize using basic gates. You have to know all the methods. Now we are going to draw the shortcut method to realize half adder using NAND gate. NAND gate to draw చేయడానికి we are going to represent one method. That is, for XOR gate, we have one more option. That is, ఇక్కడ ఎలా డ్రా చేస్తున్నా అలానే నోట్ చేసుకున్నాను. I'm taking first level as one NAND gate. Second level, I have taken one more NAND gate. And third level, I have taken second level, I have taken one more NAND gate. And finally, I have taken one more NAND gate. Now I am going to connect this. See, this is my input A and B. A and B. The output of this is called as output A into B whole bar. The output of first NAND gate is A into B whole bar. This is given to the NAND gate 2. This output is given as common to both the NAND gate 2 and NAND gate 3. This is given as common to A bar B is generated to NAND gate 2 and NAND gate 3. Now, similarly, the second input of this gate is connected to A. This is your A, and this is B. That is, here we have connected AB whole bar here, AB whole bar here. Now we will verify the output expression. ఇక్కడ వచ్చే expression ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూడండి. We can write this as AB whole bar into B NAND gate complement. Now expand this expression. If you expand this expression, I can write this expression by applying the De Morgan's law. I can write AB double complement. That is, I can write AB plus B bar. AB plus B bar. By using simplification law, we can write this as A plus B bar. By using simplification law, we can simplify this as A plus B bar. Similarly, here also same A into AB whole bar. We can write this as A bar plus AB. By using simplification law, we can write A bar plus B. Now, these outputs are connected to the NAND gate 4. These outputs are connected to the NAND gate 4. What is the output here? This output equals to A plus B bar, and this output equals to A bar plus B. The output of NAND gate 2 and NAND gate 3 are connected to the NAND gate 4. Now we will see what is that output now. Output this will be equals to A bar B plus A plus B bar whole bar. Apply the De Morgan's law again. A bar B whole bar plus A plus B bar whole bar. We can write this by applying A into B whole bar by applying De Morgan's law again. A bar into B. We can write this as A exclusive or B. A exclusive or B. This is my sum output. And we call this as our sum output. Total number of NAND gates now. 1, 2, 3, 4 to generate some output. That is, this is the expression for exclusive OR. Exclusive OR key with minimum number of NAND gates. This is the structure. For exclusive OR gate, to minimize using NAND gate, this is the minimum structure. That is, we can realize using 1, 2, 3, 4 gates only. Now we have to realize the carry none. Sum generate in the carry generate. What is the carry none? Carry equals to A into B. We have A and B here. We can directly generate A into B. How generate cheyachana? Naku ikkadi nunchi oka AND gate teesukochu, but our concept is to generate using NAND gate. See, observe the output of NAND gate 1, AB whole bar. I am taking at this point, I am taking one more NAND gate as an inverter and generating the carry output. This is my carry. ఇలా అయినా డ్రా చేయొచ్చాను. లేదా మీకు కన్వీనియంట్ గా ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటే you can also draw like this. You can take the point at this point and take one more gate outside the structure. This is inverter. This is your AB whole bar, and this will be equals carry equals to AB. Carry equals to AB. Note channel. Now output expressions ప్రతి గేట్ దగ్గర కన్ఫర్మ్ గా రాయాలి. You have to write the output expressions at each and every gate. Note చేశారా? For exclusive OR gate, this is the minimized structure to realize using NAND gates. To realize using NAND gates. Okay. Now we have to realize the same circuit using NOR gate. And ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 4 NAND gates to realize XOR gate. The 4 NAND gates. 1, 2, 3, 4. This structure is equals to exclusive OR gate. To generate the carry output, we have taken the output from the NAND gate 1. This is my AB. This is your AB whole bar. I have taken one more inverter to generate AB. Now we are going to realize the same circuit using NOR gate. Using NOR gate. And this structure you have to remember in your mind. XOR gate 4 gate structure. You have to practice and you have to remember. Now we are going to realize exclusive OR gate using NOR gate to generate half adder. The half adder circuit takes side heading. ప్రతిదానికి side heading note చేస్తాం. Realization of half adder using NOR gates. Realization of half adder using NOR gates. Okay. I will give a similar structure. Structure జాగ్రత్తగా observe చేయండి. Now I have taken the NOR gate. This is my first level NOR gate. And I am taking the second level NOR gate. And I am taking the third level NOR gate. And I am taking the one more NOR gate. I am taking extra one more NOR gate. Now I am going to connect all this time. We will verify from the starting. The first level, the first input is A, and the second input is B. No doubt. And what is the output of the first level? NOR gate. R complement is the generate. Here it is generating A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Okay. And the next we are generating a single input NOR gate to generate A complement. To generate A complement. That is, it will generate A bar. This will generate B bar. This will generate B bar. First A plus B whole bar generate చేసాం, తర్వాత A bar generate చేసాం, తర్వాత B bar generate చేసాం. Now these two are connected to the, this is the first level and NOR gate, second and third and fourth. Now we are going to connect this output to this and this output to the this. See, what is the output of 4 now? fourth output ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి. Here the output of fourth na. Anyone now? Here this is A bar plus B bar. ఇక్కడ A bar వచ్చింది. A bar, B bar, whole bar. And if you apply the De Morgan's law, this will be equals to A double complement into B double complement. This will be equals to AB. That is, we are generating the carry output. This is AB is generated across the NOR gate 4. NOR gate 4 నుంచి ఏం జనరేట్ అయిందా? Carry AB generate అయింది. Now we need to generate the sum output at the NAND. This is the sum output we are going to generate. Now this output of first NAND gate is connected. The output of first NAND gate is connected. మన ఇలా పాస్ అయితే కనెక్షన్ ఉన్నట్టు కాదు. లేదంటే మీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే you can make a jump over. Jump over చూపించడానికి ఇలా చూపించవచ్చు. This is connected to NOR gate. The carry output is again connected to this fifth one. Here this is AB and this is A bar plus, sorry, this is A plus B whole bar, and we need to verify the output of fifth one. Now apply again the output of fifth one, that is the sum output at this point. The output of the checker, which is called as sum. I am writing the sum output now. AB plus A plus B whole bar, AB plus A plus B whole bar, and NOR gate property we have to apply complement. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి ఏం చేద్దాం. Now I am going to apply this De Morgan's law to the x plus y whole bar. I can write this as AB whole bar into A plus B double complement. You can write this as AB whole bar into A plus B. Now, now I am going to write again the De Morgan's law to this now. AB whole bar, that is A bar plus B bar into A plus B. Now multiply this A into A bar, A into B bar, A bar into B, B bar into A, B bar into B. We know complement law, A into A bar is 0, B into B bar is 0. We can write this as A bar into B plus A into B bar. This is your sum output A exclusive or B. This is equals to sum output. This is your sum output. That is your sum output. That's it. Previous దానికి దీనికి కొంచెం difference ఉంది. You have to remember this structure also. Here the realization of half adder using NOR gate, it requires 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 NOR gates. Direct ga basic gate nunchi convert chesina wrong kaadu nan. But most frequently when we are realizing a circuit, we have to use minimum number of gates. Minimum number of gates vadukovalu kabatti this is the standard structure when we are drawing half adder or half subtractor using NAND gate or NOR gate, or XOR gate ni XNOR gate ki representation. XOR gate ki XNOR gate ki representation. Okay, everyone note this now. This is the half adder. What is the half adder? Half adder is a circuit which will add two 1-bit numbers. Two 1-bit. The size of A is 1 bit, size of B is 1 bit. It will add the two 1-bit numbers A and B, and it will produce the outputs as sum and carry. Sum and carry. Sum is equals to A exclusive or B. Carry equals to A into B. This is your half adder circuit. Now, chala easy and half adder ante it is a circuit which is generates the addition of two 1-bit numbers. The addition of two 1-bit numbers. Now we are going to see subtraction. Note this one. Now you have to remember this structure. This structure will be repeated. And full adder చేసేటప్పుడు full subtractor చేసేటప్పుడు I will use the half adder. First ఏం చెప్పాను, half adder, half subtractor. తర్వాత full adder, full subtractor. Full subtractor is realized using two half adders. అంటే ఒక full adder ని తయారు చేయాలంటే నేను రెండు half adders వాడుకొని తయారు చేస్తాను. Then I will draw directly this circuit diagram there. అంటే XOR గేట్ యొక్క ఈక్వలెంట్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. Now we are going to verify half subtractor. Half subtractor. ప్రాక్టీస్ మీద గుర్తుంటుందా? పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం. స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా చాలా ఈజీగా ఉన్న స్ట్రక్చర్, అది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వడానికి ఏం లేదు. ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పాను, నేను యూనిట్ వైజ్ గా అసైన్మెంట్ ఇస్తానని. ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. సెకండ్ యూనిట్ ఇది టాపిక్ అయిన తర్వాత సెకండ్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఇస్తాను. థర్డ్ యూనిట్ కి థర్డ్ అసైన్మెంట్. ఇవి దీస్ అసైన్మెంట్ మార్క్స్ విల్ బి ఫర్ గ్రేడింగ్ అని. మళ్ళీ మీకు కామన్ గా ఆల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కి కామన్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఉంటుందని. దట్ విల్ బి షెడ్యూల్డ్. మీకు గ్రూప్స్ లో ఆల్రెడీ పోస్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది. మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ అని సపరేట్ అన్న. దట్ విల్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ అఫీషియల్. Next we are going to see half subtractor. Half subtractor. Half subtractor. Now we are going to perform the subtraction operation. I am taking the two bits A and B. Two bits A and B, which I am going to subtract A minus B. A minus B. Okay. Now you see the structure of half adder, half subtractor. This is also I am representing in terms of block diagram. This is your half subtractor. The inputs are A, which is of size 1 bit. Input is B, which is of size 1 bit. I am generating the output. When you subtract the two things, the first output you are getting it as difference, and the second one we call this as borrow. Difference and borrow. Difference చూపిస్తాం, borrow చూపిస్తాం. Okay. Now we will verify the combinations. What is the difference and what is the borrow? మీరు borrow రెండు మ్యాచ్ అవుతుంది, కరెక్ట్ borrow అని. Difference and borrow. Difference and borrow. Difference and borrow. Combinations. Single input కాబట్టి when A is 0 and B is 0. 0 minus 0 na. 0. Similarly, A0, B1, A1, B0, A1, B1. We will check the conditions. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is, the difference is 0. Similarly, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 cheste avutundana. This is also, the difference is 1. Therefore, the difference is 1. Now, when you are subtracting a smaller number minus larger number is, when you are subtracting 0 minus 1. ఏమవుతుందండి? 0 minus 1 అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ నుంచి లార్జర్ నెంబర్ తీయాలంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ బైనరీ. నేను బైనరీలో చెప్తున్నాను. అదే డెసిమల్ లో మీరు సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ ద నెంబర్ 6 ఈజ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టెడ్ ఫ్రమ్ 9 ఆర్ 8, మీరు 8 నుంచి 6 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఏం చేస్తారు? యూ విల్ టేక్ 1 బారో. ఒక బారో తీసుకుంటున్నాం. బారో తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతున్నాను? నాకు టెన్స్ ప్లేస్ లోకి వస్తుంది. వీఆర్ కాలింగ్ దిస్ యాజ్ 16. 16 minus 8, 8. We call this as we are taking 1 as borrow. 1 borrow తీసుకున్నా చెప్తున్నాను. Similarly, in binary, ఆ బైనరీలో ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? If I take 1 as borrow, that is, we set borrow equals to 1, 1 0. 1 0 అంటే ఎంత? 10 కాదు. This is the binary number system. నాకు డెసిమల్ లో ఒకటి borrow వస్తే 10 అని చెప్పాను. బైనరీలో అవుతుంది 1 borrow వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1. This is 1. అంటే this is taken as 1 in binary. 1 0. What is the 1 0 nana? Decimal equivalent of 1 0 is 2. Decimal equivalent of 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And Binary 1 0 into 1 తీసేస్తే you will get the result as 1. You will get the result as 1. నేను కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అంటే అడగను. That is, when you are subtracting 0 from 1, we are setting borrow equals to 1. Borrow and 1 chest, that is, I am taking the borrow equals to 1. Then this will be equals to 1 0. 1 0 into 2 na decimal. 2 minus 1, the result is 1. Therefore, the borrow is 1. Sorry. By setting borrow is 1 and the difference is 1. And for the remaining conditions now, 0 0, difference 0, there is no requirement of borrow, borrow is 0. 1 0, the difference is 1, there is no requirement of borrow, borrow is 0. 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, there is no requirement of borrow, therefore it is 0. That is 0. That is ఎప్పుడు బారో వస్తుందని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. బారో ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ నుంచి లార్జర్ నెంబర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు వస్తుంది. సిన్స్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ద బైనరీ నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్, వెన్ యూఆర్ టేకింగ్ 1 యాజ్ బారో, ద బారో అంటే 1 బారో తీసుకుంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది అంటే 2 వస్తుంది. డెసిమల్ లో 1 బారో తీసుకుంటే 10 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అండ్ బారో. దట్ ఈస్ ఇఫ్ ఐ రైట్ ద అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ డిఫరెన్స్ అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందా? అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ డిఫరెన్స్ 1 ఎక్కడ వచ్చిందా? 1 ఫర్ when a0 a bar into b plus a into b bar. This is same as sum output of half adder a exclusive or b. Difference output check చేస్తే sum output రెండు సేమ్ గా ఉన్నాయి. When if you check the borrow equals to 1 for a bar into b, a0 into b, that is a bar into b. Now we need to draw the circuit diagram using basic gates, using XOR gate and AND gate. Now we will see now. If I draw chestam check chestam, note this now. First I will draw using basic gates now. Basic gates draw చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. నోట్ చేసుకున్నారా? Note this one. Everyone note this one. Now I am generating A, that is first level gates AND gate and AND gates and OR gate. That is I am taking 2 AND gates. Basic gates draw చేస్తున్నాను. A, I am generating A, B bar and similarly B, A bar, that is A, B bar, A B bar plus A bar B. This is generated with respect to OR gate to generate sum or to generate difference generate చేస్తుంది. And similarly to generate carry A bar B, that is I am generating the same A bar and B. B in the cover, I am taking the B here. This is equals to A bar B. This is your borrow using basic gates. Observe now, any gates వచ్చాయి? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also it requires 6 gates. Now we need to realize using NAND gates and NOR gates. Before that, we will realize using XOR gate. XOR gate to realize test chudam ela vastundi. This is your difference and this is your borrow. XOR gate. XOR gate. Borrow. Input is A. Input is B. To generate borrow and borrow equals to A bar B. కాబట్టి I have to take an inverter here. To take an inverter here, A bar, and I have to take B. A bar B. Here also, if you observe, it is taking 3 gates now. 1, 2, and 3. We can realize the same circuit using only one XOR gate and one AND gate. One XOR gate and one AND gate we can realize. See now, the same expression, no doubt. Here it is taking the 3 gates, one inverter, one XOR gate, and one AND gate. I am realizing the same circuit with one XOR gate and one AND gate. Okay, XOR gate to realize this is for XOR gate difference. I am taking one AND gate, that is the output of the difference is connected here, and this is my A input and this is my B input. The second input is connected here. This will be equals to borrow. No doubt in that. This will be same as the difference and borrow. Difference and take A exclusive or B, borrow equals to A bar B రావాలి. We verify the output equation. అది కరెక్ట్ గా ఉందో లేదో చెక్ చేస్తాం. See now, what is the difference here? To generate this, we have used the output of difference is connected to the borrow of the. Now I am writing the output expression for difference. Borrow check చేస్తున్నాను. Borrow equals to the difference output in A exclusive or B. That is A exclusive or B multiplied by B. AND gate kada. ఒక input వచ్చి B, ఇంకొక input వచ్చి A exclusive or B. Now expand this expansion. A bar B plus AB bar multiplied by B. Now multiply this now. A bar B into B plus A into B bar into B. This is by using complement law, this will be equals to 0. By using null law, B into B equals to 1, that is, we can write this as A bar B. That is, this output will be equals to A bar B. No doubt, Nana. We can also realize the same difference and borrow expression using one XOR gate and one AND gate. Half adder lo kuda oka XOR gate oka AND gate vadanna. Similarly, in half subtractor also we are using one XOR gate and one AND gate. There is no requirement of inverter. Ila kuda design cheyochu. You have to note this also. Half subtractor, the difference output and borrow output. General 2 marks adutana. 1 mark 2 marks. What is the circuit diagram for difference and borrow using XOR gate and AND gate? Antagani inverter vaadakunda draw cheyamanappu we have to draw like this. Now we are going to draw the same XOR gate, same half subtractor using NAND gate. That is, realize half subtractor using NAND gate. Realize half subtractor using NAND gate. ఎంత చెప్పండి XOR gate కి NAND gate ఎలా డ్రా చేశాను నేను 4 NAND gates తీసుకున్నాను సేమ్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ మళ్ళీ డ్రా చేస్తాను XOR gate using NAND gate. I am going to take the 4 NAND gates. నోట్ చేసుకున్నాను. XOR gate, realize half subtractor using NAND gates. Take side heading. Realize half subtractor using NAND gate. To realize the difference output, the difference we know that difference equals to A exclusive or B and borrow equals to A bar into B. Difference equals to A exclusive or B, borrow equals to A bar B. Therefore, to realize XOR gate, we know the 4 structure of NAND gate: the first level NAND gate, second level NAND gate, and third level NAND gate. ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేయాలని ఫస్ట్ మేక్ ద కనెక్షన్స్ and NAND gate 1 2 3 4 and the inputs are A B. The second input of NAND gate 2 is connected from here. This is connected from here. No doubt, and in the already prove chesam the difference output, the difference will be equals to A exclusive or in the prove chesana same akkada raasukovali. Difference equals to A exclusive or B. You know here this output equals to AB whole bar. This will be equals to A bar plus B. This will be equals to A plus B bar, and this output will be equals to now we need to generate the carry nana. Carry ela generate cheyali? What is the carry nana? A bar B na. ఎవరైనా చెప్పగలుగుతారని A bar B ఇందాక క్యారీ అన్నప్పుడు దీన్ని కాంప్లిమెంట్ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ రాశాను హాఫ్ యాడర్ ఫర్ హాఫ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ కి వి నీడ్ టు జనరేట్ బారో A bar B. A bar B ఎక్కడి నుంచి జనరేట్ చేయొచ్చు? A bar B ని ఏ గేట్ నుంచి జనరేట్ చేయడం ఈజీనండి.
A plus B bar నుంచి ఈజీ సార్.
A plus that is NAND gate 3. If you take one more inverter at this point, if we take one more inverter at this point, inverter is nothing but NAND gate. This is A plus B bar. We can write this as A plus B bar whole bar. Apply the De Morgan's law again. A bar into B double complement. We can write this as A bar into B. This is your borrow A bar into B. మీకు ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ వార్కి స్ట్రక్చర్ గుర్తుండాలండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి క్యారీ అడుగుతున్నాం, బారో అయినప్పుడు బారో ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నాం, క్యారీ అన్నప్పుడు దీని నుంచి తీసుకున్నాం, బారో అన్నప్పుడు NAND gate 3 అవుట్పుట్ తీసుకున్నాం, క్యారీ అన్నప్పుడేమో NAND gate 1 అవుట్పుట్ ఫర్ హాఫ్ యాడర్. దిస్ ఈస్ యూజింగ్ రియలైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ హాఫ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ యూజింగ్ NAND gates. రెండు సర్క్యూట్స్ సేమ్ గా ఉంటాయి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ హాఫ్ యాడర్ హాఫ్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్, దెన్ ఫుల్ యాడర్ ఫుల్ సబ్ట్రాక్టర్ చాలా ఈజీ నండి. నేను ఎంటైర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ డైరెక్ట్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తాను, ఎంటైర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తాను. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ద కాపీ పేస్ట్. నోట్ చేసుకున్నాను. నా మీరు కొంచెం నీట్గా డ్రా చేయండి. నాకు రైటింగ్ నీట్గా రాదు, డయాగ్రామ్ స్పీడ్గా నీట్గా వేయలేను. మీరు కాస్త జాగ్రత్తగా వేసుకున్నాను. రిమెంబర్, మీరు ఎప్పుడు ఫిగర్స్ వేసినా పెన్సిల్ స్కేలే వాడండి, పెన్ వాడకూడదు. కేఎంఎఫ్ తీసుకున్నా సరే, లాజికల్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ కానీ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్స్ కానీ డిఫాల్ట్గా పెన్సిలే వాడండి. ఒక నిమిషం లేట్ అవుతున్నా సరే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, మీకు యూట్యూబ్లో లింక్ ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకుని డ్రా చేయండి. Okay, now we are going to realize next one. Take side. Realize half subtractor using NOR gate. Half subtractor using NOR gate. Okay, this is for using NAND gates complete chesana. Now we are going to realize using NOR gate. Okay, and taking the structure, the same structure, and taking the NOR gate, the first level NOR gate. రిక్వైర్మెంట్ బట్టి యాడ్ చేస్తాం, ఇంకో NOR gate కూడా కావాలి, ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తాం చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, ద ఫస్ట్ లెవెల్, ద ఇన్పుట్ ఈజ్ A, second input is B. Here the output is generated as A plus B whole bar, and these two inputs ఏం చెప్పాను, you have to make a short here. and we are generating A bar. A bar is generated here. Here B bar is generated. Same diagram, no modification. Now exclusive OR gate రెండు ఒకటే కాబట్టి and generated same now. Now what is the output at this stage now? Here. Sorry. Just ఒక్క నిమిషం mistake చేశాను. half adder draw చేశాను ఒక్క నిమిషం. Just take correction. Half subtract. Here these two inputs are connected like this. This is A plus B whole bar. Just as NAND gate. NAND gate ఎలా వస్తుందో అలానే వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు NAND gate. See the output at this point. Output at this point ras. Here this is your B. This is your A plus B whole bar. I am writing B plus A plus B whole bar total complement. Okay. Now apply the De Morgan's law here. We can write this as B bar into double complement. A plus B double complement. This is cancelled. We can write this as B bar into A plus B, and this will be equals to B into B bar is 0. A into B bar. Similarly, at this point, this is your A. We can write this as A plus B whole bar complement. Double complement cancel. This is A bar into A plus B. This will be equals to A bar into B. That is, we are generating the two outputs. That is A bar into B here. Here A into B bar. You can observe ఈ two conditions నుంచి మనకి bar వచ్చేసింది. Bar equals to A bar into B. A bar into B. Bar already generated. This output is nothing but bar output. This output is nothing but bar output. Now I am connecting this to here. I am connecting this output to here. That is, what is this statement? At this gate, the expression will be equals to A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. You know what is this, Nana? This is A bar B, A B bar. We can write this as A exclusive or B complement. I need to generate only A exclusive. A exclusive or intentionally complement cancel here. Therefore, I am taking one more inverter using NOR gate to generate the difference output. Difference equals to A exclusive or B. At this stage, this is the expression. So we can write this as A exclusive or B. The A exclusive B complement complement cancel and the output here we can write this as A exclusive or B double complement. Double complement cancel, you are getting A exclusive or B. For half subtractor now. Half subtractor using NAND gate, half subtractor using NOR gate. If you observe, the two structures are similar. Structures are NAND gate plus NOR gate. NAND gate plus NOR gate. For half subtractor. Half adder అలా ఉండదు. Half adder అలా లేదు. Now any doubts on ఇక్కడ వరకు? We have verified what is half subtractor and what is half adder. Half adder is nothing but it is performing the addition of two binary bits. Half subtractor is nothing but it is performing subtraction of two binary bits. నోట్ చేశారా? we have taken the ABC full adder కి ఫంక్షన్ టేబుల్ డ్రా చేసుకున్నాం. దాని తర్వాత మిన్ టర్మ్స్ సమ్ మిన్ టర్మ్స్ ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేసాం. 1 2 4 7 క్యారీ మిన్ టర్మ్స్ 3 5 6 7 తీసుకున్నాం. with the help of k map we have drawn the min terms location in the k map. We have written the expression S equals to expression a bar b plus c in ab c in bar ab b bar c in and ab c in. No doubt this expression directly we can written this as a exclusive or b exclusive or c in, or also we can prove by using Boolean law. That is, from the first two expressions we have taken a bar as common. In the next two expressions I have taken a as common. Here a bar is taken as common because we call this as b exclusive or c in. The two terms common just b exclusive or c in. The two terms lo common is this will be equals to b exclusive or c in. From this b exclusive or c in we can write this as exclusive or complement. XR complement and exclusive or kabatti. We have assumed this as x and this is x bar. We can write a bar into x, a into x bar. This is nothing but a exclusive or x. What we have assumed on x ante b exclusive or c in, but a exclusive or b exclusive or c. Now we are going to verify. Now we are going to verify the expression for carry. That is, we are taking one more k map. A B C in 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. What are the min terms from 3 5 6 7 3 5 6 7? We can map chechana. I can map these two and these two. Therefore I can write the carry output expression as for this two we can write b into c in. For this two we can write a into c in. For this two we can write a into b, or simply we can write this as c equals to ab plus bcn plus acn. Okay, this is the minimized expression for sum and carry. Sum can have a exclusive or b exclusive or c in, and carry equals to ab bc c in. Okay, I am writing these expressions here. Two expressions here I am writing. Sum equals to a exclusive or b exclusive or c in. Carry out equals to ab plus b c in a c in. Now c in write marchipodanu. C and c in will be confused. C అన్న రాయాలి, C in అన్న రాయాలి. లేదా అవుట్పుట్ అని కూడా C out అని కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Okay. Now our task is to realize the next task is we have to realize the given expressions using basic gate, using XOR gates, using NAND gate, using NOR gate. Using NAND gates and NOR gates. First I will draw with respect to basic gates. Basic gates draw cheyandi. Basic gates and XOR gates draw cheyandi. We draw chese ichina exclusive OR gate draw chesటప్పుడు you can take exclusive OR gate. That is, I am taking, this is my exclusive OR gate to generate some output A, B, C. Some output generated, carry generated. I have to take 3 AND gates. This is and one OR gate to generate the carry. This is connected here, this is connected here. This is A, B, B, C in, A. Using basic gates. XOR gate అవ్వచ్చు, ఇలా డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Now we have to realize the same by using NAND gates and NOR gates. NAND gates and NOR gates తో realize చేయాలి. జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి నేను. Here I am realizing the full adder using two half adders. Take side heading. NAND gates వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు we are going to realize full adder using two half adders. We are going to realize the full adder using two half adders. It is generally asked question. Realize full subtractor using two half adders. Realize full adder using two half adders like this. Realize full adder using two half adders. Yes, I will draw here a full adder using two half. That is, I am taking the half adders. I am taking the first half adder. Here is my first half adder. I am considering these inputs are A and B. A and B inputs are. I am taking the second half adder. It is also half adder. Second half adder. And I am taking one OR gate. One OR gate. Now first half adder and change in distance. I am getting ప్రతి half adder లో కూడా some carry ఉంటుంది. This is my the carry of the first half adder. Carry of the first half adder, and this is sum of the first half adder. I am connecting this sum to this and taking the carry in to this. Carry into this. Now this stage, this carry, the second half adder, and we doubt చూడండి ఇంటర్నల్ గా దీని క్యారీ అనుకున్నాను, దీని సమ్ అనుకోండి, దీని క్యారీ అనుకోండి, దీని సమ్ అనుకోండి. This carry is connected to this point and this carry is connected to generate your final carry. Okay, and this sum equals to your sum output A exclusive or B exclusive or C. This equals to the carry AB, BC, C. నేను ఒకసారి హాఫ్ యాడర్ సర్క్యూట్ డయాగ్రామ్ చూడన్నాను. In half adder, AB are the inputs, sum and carry out outputs. Get this, the carry output we know this will be equals to AB. The carry output as we know, this is AB, and the sum output at this we know A exclusive or B. A exclusive or B. Okay, consider this as X అనుకున్నాను. A exclusive or B X అనుకున్నాను. We are applying X here and carry in here. Again, what is this carry? For a half adder, carry is the product of these two. That is X into C in. Here, some output ఏమవుతుందన్న X exclusive or C in. What is X nana? A exclusive or B exclusive or C in. Now, this X into C in is given as one input here, and the second input is AB. Now, we have to verify this one. ఈ రెండిటికి అవుట్పుట్ అదా కదా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. C equals to at this point OR gate కాబట్టి AB plus X into C in, AB plus X అంటే ఏంటన్నా A exclusive or B into C in into C in. Now A exclusive or B into C in. AB plus A bar B plus A B bar into C in. We can write this as AB plus A bar B C in plus AB bar AB bar C. This is your carry. Now carry ఏం రావాలన్నా we need to generate only AB, BC, AC. We have to simplify that equation. We have to simplify that equation. Can simplify chestara? Can anyone do simplification for that? Anyone? If you observe, C equals to, what are the max terms? 3, 5, 6, 7. That will be equals to M3 plus M5 plus M6 plus M7. See this expression here. In that expression, if you verify, A is there and one literal is missing. What is that literal? See, అంటే నాకు మ్యాక్స్ టర్మ్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయడానికి SOP నుంచి canonical law form లో కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. AB C మిస్ అయింది కాబట్టి C plus Cin అని రాసుకున్నాను. C plus Cin. Sorry, I am writing Cin plus Cin bar. Missing term. Remaining terms are AB Cin plus A B bar Cin. Now multiply this now. We multiply chain. A B Cin, A B Cin bar plus A bar B Cin plus A B bar Cin. To write the min terms, A B Cin, this is M7 110, M6 100, sorry, 011, M3 011, M5. That is, we can write the sigma of M 3, 5, 6, 7. You can verify now. This output equals to carry output, and some output is A exclusive or B exclusive or C. Some output is, you can write, I am writing here, A exclusive or B exclusive or C. Now I have doubts on full adder using 2 half adders. Full adder using 2 half adders. Full adder using 2 half adders. I can replace this full half adder with XOR and AND gate. I can replace this half adder using XOR and AND gate. And half adder and change. This is one XOR gate, one AND gate. Inputs are A, B, A, B. This is your A exclusive or B, and this is AB. This is your half adder now. That is your half adder. That is, in place of this half adder, I can substitute here this half adder, and this half adder I can substitute here now. Full adder using 2 half adders. Half adder circuit diagram gurtundar. One XOR gate, one AND gate. I can replace this half adder using XOR gate and AND gate. I can redraw the circuit now. ఇది ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేసామో చూసుకోవాలి. Exam point after realize full adder using 2 half adders అన్నప్పుడు diagram వేయాలి. You have to prove the output expressions also. Sum and carry match అవుతుందో చెక్ చేయాలి. Okay. Now the remaining two we have to realize full adder using NAND gates. Realize full adder using NAND gates. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, ఒక హాఫ్ యాడర్ ని NAND గేట్స్ వచ్చారంటే 6 గేట్స్ పడతాయని చెప్పండి. 6 + 6 12 + 1 13 గేట్స్ పడతాయి. అంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫుల్ యాడర్ ని NAND gates లో డ్రా చేస్తే 13 NAND gates రిక్వైర్ అవుతుంది. బట్ వీ కెన్ రియలైజ్ యూజింగ్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ XOR gate using only 9 gates. 9 NAND gates to realize చేయొచ్చు. Okay, take side heading, realize full adder using NAND gates. Realize full adder using NAND gates. Realize full adder using NAND gates. Note చేసుకున్నారన్నా? We have converted ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మేము ప్రీవియస్గా చేస్తున్నాం. ఎలా చేసాం? SOP is converted into canonical form. Canonical form లో ఇక్కడ ఏ లిటరల్ అయితే మిస్ అయింది, C మిస్ అయింది కాబట్టి C plus C bar యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం. 1 plus A bar equals to 1 by using complement law వాడుకొని చేశాం. ఇందాక డ్రా చేసాను. ఎలా డ్రా చేసాం? హాఫ్ యాడర్ కి XOR gate को స్ట్రక్చర్ డ్రా చేసాం. ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ 2 times now. ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్ ద సేమ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ 2 times. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి. This first one XOR gate. Now connections తెలుసు కాబట్టి we'll make the connections. The input is A, second input is B, half adder. You know what is the output at this point? A exclusive or B. The output at this point is A XOR B. And you know output at this point A bar plus B. Output at this point A plus B bar. Output at this point A B whole bar. A B whole bar. This is first level. But full adder కాబట్టి మనకి ఎన్ని కావాలన్నా? I need to get one more pin C in. Again I am copying the same diagram now. ఏమి చేయట్లేదు, సేమ్ డయాగ్రామ్ ని మళ్ళీ కాపీ చేస్తాం. We are copying the same diagram. NAND gate, one more half adder using XOR gate, one more half adder using XOR gate, same connections, don't get deviated. See, this output, I am considering this output as, consider this as X. X ఇక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేశాను. X is connected here. Now half adder అంటే ఏం చెప్తున్నాను? One input is connected to, writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. NAND gate 1, A is connected to 1, A is connected to 2. Similarly, NAND gate 5, A is connected to X is connected to 5 and X is connected to 6. This is your X. And see, what is the NAND gate 1? One input is B. Similarly, for NAND gate 5, the another input we are calling this as C in. C in. ఇంత లైన్ డ్రా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మీ క్లారిటీకి చూపించడానికి A, B, C in అని. Or simply you can write this as C in. Simply we can write this as C in. Now what are the remaining things? Here 2 inputs are connected. What about 7 now? For the 7 we are connecting from A plus, sorry, This is connected to this, and this pin is connected to 3. B pin is connected to 1 and 3. Similarly, C pin is connected to 5 and 7. 7. This is the second input for half adder. This is the second input for half adder. If you connect 1 ki 3 connect chesam. This is connected for 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Now we will verify the output at this point. ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొచ్చిందో చెక్ చేద్దాం. అవుట్పుట్ అక్కడ ఏమొచ్చిందో చెక్ చేస్తాం. యాజ్ యు నో క్యారీ ఎలా జనరేట్ అవుతుంది హాఫ్ యాడర్ కి. ఇఫ్ దిస్ పిన్ what is the half adder carry for half adder equals to a bar b ki complement cheyali. That is, I am taking the combination from this point as one combination. Similarly, from this point also I am taking one more combination to generate one more NAND gate to generate the carry. We'll check them. Some carry match out. Check this one. First half adder. This is the first half adder. Output sum equals to A exclusive OR B. We have assumed as C. ఇక్కడ వరకు C కదా, ఇక్కడ వరకు A exclusive OR B, and we have assumed this as X. Now X and C in A and B కి ఏమొచ్చిందన్న A exclusive OR B. X and C కి ఏమొస్తుంది X exclusive or C. Doubt into current. This is X bar plus C in. This is X plus C in bar. X plus C in bar. And this output equals to X plus C in bar. This is equals to A exclusive or B exclusive or C in. Sum output. This is your sum output. We have to check the carry now. Carry జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. At this point, this is A bar. This A B whole bar is connected here. This A B whole bar is connected as one pin, and these two X into C in bar. This is X into C in whole bar. Here this is connected as X into C in whole bar. Now this is connected to one more NAND gate. I am writing the expression here. X into C in bar. X into C in bar. What is X now? X is A exclusive or B. That is, I can write this as A exclusive or B into C into C. Okay. Now we are applying this to an AND gate. You don't need to NAND gate apply చేశాను. జాగ్రత్త. A B whole bar into A exclusive or B into C in whole bar. X Y P Q whole bar. P అనుకోండి, Q అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది? P into Q whole bar. P is this and Q is that. Now apply the De Morgan's law. P plus P into Q whole bar. P plus Q. That is, I am writing this as carry equals to AB double complement plus, I am applying the double complement now. Double complement applies to A exclusive or B into C in. C equals to AB plus, I am expanding this now. AB bar plus A bar B into C in. ఇందాక నేను ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాను, ఇప్పుడు ఇంకోలా ప్రూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇందాక ఎలా ప్రూవ్ చేశాను? ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేశాను. అవి రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేశాను. నౌ డౌట్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, సేమ్ అలానే వస్తుంది. AB bar C in, A bar B C. ఇందాక ఇది one literal is missing, C plus C bar అని రాస్తున్నాను. Now I am not doing in that fashion. వేరే ఫ్యాషన్ లో చేస్తాను. I am taking B as common and A as common. C లో if I take B as common, ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో B కామన్ తీస్తే అవుతుంది ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, మీ డౌట్ ఉంటే ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో బి కామన్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ యాజ్ ఏబి ప్లస్ ఏబి ప్లస్ ఏ బి బార్ సిఇన్ ప్లస్ ఏ బార్ బి సిఇన్. I can write 1 as 1 plus 1 right. I can write A as A plus A and రాసుకోవచ్చు. A ni A plus A రాసుకోవచ్చు, 1 ni 1 plus రాసుకోవచ్చు. Similarly, I am writing AB as AB plus AB. AB is written as AB plus AB. ఇక్కడ AB ni AB plus AB and రాసుకోవచ్చు. Now, in this, I am taking from these two terms, I am taking A as common. From these two terms I am taking B as common. ఈ రెండిట్లో నుంచి A కామన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ రిమైనింగ్ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో B కామన్ తీస్తాను. I am taking A as common. A కామన్ తీస్తే ఏమైందని ఈ టర్మ్ నుంచి ఈ టూ టర్మ్స్ నుంచి A కామన్ తీస్తే I can write this as B plus B bar C in. B కామన్ తీస్తే A plus A bar C. By using simplification law, B plus B bar C, we can write this as B plus C. We can write this as A plus C. By using simplification law, we can write B plus C, A plus C. Therefore, I am writing this as C equals to A into, I am writing B plus C in B plus C in B into A plus C in. Now multiply now. C equals to AB plus AC in AB plus BC in AB plus AB. We can write this as AB plus BC in plus AC in. This is the carry output. Now ఇందాకేమో ఇక్కడ ఈ టర్మ్ ని ఏం చేశాను, వాట్ ఆర్ ద మిస్సింగ్ టర్మ్ ఇస్ ద మిస్సింగ్ టర్మ్ ని యాడ్ చేశాను. మిస్సింగ్ టర్మ్ ని యాడ్ చేసుకొని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేశాను. ఇన్ దిస్ C లేదు కాబట్టి C plus C రాసుకొని C plus C bar C అని రాసుకొని ఎక్స్పాండ్ చేసి మెయిన్ టర్మ్స్ రాశాను. మీకు అది ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తే అది చేయండి, ఇది ఈజీ అనిపిస్తే ఇది చేయండి. ఇది చేయాలంటే మీకు బులియన్ లాస్ ఖచ్చితంగా తెలిస్తే కానీ చేయగలరు. అంటే మీకు 2 మెథడ్స్ చూపించాను, ఏది ఫాలో అయినా ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఇందాక ఫుల్ యాడ్ రీజన్ 2 హాఫ్ యాడ్ దగ్గర క్యారీ ఇన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చేశాను, ఇక్కడ ఇంకో ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ చేశాను. ఈ 2 మెథడ్స్ లో ఏది చేసినా కరెక్ట్. This is first half adder, this is second half adder. The output expression is sum and the output expression is carry. The total number of NAND gates used are 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Full adder using 2 half adders using NAND gates. Full adder realization using NAND gates anna, full adder using 2 half adders anna ide, full adder using 2 half adders using NAND gates anna ide. Okay, with this I am completing. NOR gate next class lo chuddam. మీరు ట్రై చేయండి NOR gate ని మీరు ట్రై చేయండి. ఇక్కడ వరకు ఏదైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి.